here.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get it on. The cat is clawing the head. The dog is licking the cat. Dog's all over the cat's face. The cat is getting licked. He doesn't appear to care. Oh, the cat is up. He's going with the claws. He's showing him that good hand speed. Oh, the dog has mounted the cat. The cat is biting and clawing the face. The dog is overwhelming the cat with its pace. Oh, a good takedown by the dog. Cat's backing up, but a couple good paw swats. Oh, a big paw swat, another big paw swat. Cat is getting tired. Oh, he went in for the throat bite, his special maneuver.
Oh no, it's getting tangled.
Oh, the cat is getting tied up by the dog's leash. This is amazing footage. The cat is...
Daisy is all...
Oh, the dog has got the cat's back.
Oh.
Oh no, the cat is wrapped. Oh, the cat is... First to meow or scream in pain loses. We got good refereeing. This is a match for the ages. Just keeps going back and forth, back and forth. A couple good swats. Oh, the V is getting more aggressive as the dog tires. The dog is tired of getting swatted. There's a stalemate. Oh no! Stalemate is over. The cat. Oh, the cat moves forward aggressively. The claws sticking in the dog's face. The dog nips. Dog's back to a corner. The V is losing interest, but he will swat. Oh, he moved. Come on.
Yeah, we gotta get him over here. I'm like away from that chairs and shit.
We can be near the chairs. Ooh, a solid right. Oh, oh, this is good. Another big paw to the face, and the dog is stopped. Cat is sat down and his claws stuck. Oh, a caress. Oh, he tries for the tusk. Oh no! A big takedown scored by the baby bee. Oh, muscle. The dog has given up. The dog has given up. He's become frustrated with the cat's claws, tusks. The winner! The vicious baby Vicicio! Oh no! A surprise attack! A surprise attack! Oh, he's clawing the face again. Oh, he doesn't like that. He doesn't like those sharpened claws sharpened on the bones of birds and rats. And moles and voles and deer and humans. You felt those scratches yourself, Sanya. How do those scratches feel?
They're painful and unforgiving.
Oh, yes. All right, break it up, break it up.